Hello everyone, welcome to my channel VS Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this flower rangoli using rose petals and chrysanthemum flower petals along with the reusable rangoli. First, in the around the center I am going to sprinkle this rose petals. It is your choice, you can use however you want. First layer of rose petals. Now I am going to use this cream color chrysanthemum flower petals to make it more attractive. You can arrange how many layers you wish. It depends upon you. The center part is done. Now the sides we will arrange. I am taking alternatively. I have put rose petals. Now it is done. Now I'll keep this LED candle holder, tea light candle holder, which I purchased from the Amazon. I am putting in the center rose petals, and on top of that I am keeping this LED light candle, tea light candle. Battery operated. The same way can arrange the others. Now it is done. We will do one more type of arrangement now. I have taken the center rangoli piece, and around that I have put the cream color sevanthi or chrysanthemum flower petals, and then this big rangoli used which I have made using the patches. I have put the video on this also. You can see my videos. Now I am keeping this rangoli. I am using yellow color chrysanthemum flower petals. Just simple, I am arranging, sprinkling them. around the bangles, moti bangle, I am arranging rose petals. I am keeping this gota patti bangle inside it. You can trim the extras now. This battery operated candle holder you can keep according to your wish. If you want, you can put more or less depending upon your choice. Now it is ready, done. I hope you like it, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the bell icon to watch my other videos.